Hello, you beautiful people. My name is Prashant Thakur and I am from SSR Institute of Management and Research, Silvassa. Today, I am here for the Best Manager contest where I will be presenting a video presentation. Students have been allotted with the different topics where today I am going to present on a presentation on a state that is on a jewel of India. Yes, Manipur. So the Manipur is called as a jewel of India because it has been surrounded by the 9 hills and an oval-shaped valley at the center. This seems to be a beauty of a jewel and hence it's called as a jewel of land or Manipur. So the Manipur is nested in the eastern corner side of the Indian subcontinent, sharing up to 352 kilometers of the international boundaries. It is connected with the Myanmar, Nagaland and Mizoram. Now talking towards the state, the capital of Manipur is Imphal, and more further, the state consists of 2 national highways, that is NH39 and NH53. Now talking about the population, the state population of Manipur is about 2.7 million, which is equivalent to the population of Qatar. Talking about the religion, over 80% of the population in the Manipur belongs to Hinduism or Christianity, but over 8% of the population belongs to the Islamic too. Now talking towards the investment opportunity. Currently they have been working with the 71 projects, where each and every project is being dealt by the government projects. Not even a single project is being dealt by the private company. This seems to be an opportunity for the state to make a grow in their own state. So some of the major investors are Patanjali, Manipur State Power Limited, Manipur State Power Distribution Limited, Manipur Industrial Development Limited, etc. Now moving towards the horticulture. So the major fruits grown in the Manipur are pineapple, apple, orange, guava, banana and peach. The annual production of the fruits and vegetables in the Manipur is about 0.47 MMT to 0.32 MMT, where the MMT stands for million metric tons. So now talking towards the flora. The natural vegetation has been occupied about 14,850 square kilometers in the state of Manipur, which is about 64% of the geographical area in the state of Manipur. This seems to be a greenery towards the state and an opportunity for making our natural vegetation grow. Now talking about the sports, polo, which is known as the Royal Games. Do you know it was been originated in Manipur? Yes, the game then has been transferred to different countries such as England and British. And do you know the next thing? The National Sports University is been located in Manipur too. So let's talk about the Manipur dance. Manipur dance form is also called as Jagoi. Basically, it is a performance of the love-inspired drama of Radha and Krishna, also called as the Ras Leela. And the Manipur dance is a major used Indian classical dance form too. So let's talk about the agriculture and allied activities. Rice accounts up to 98% of the total food grain in the Manipur. And it's basically due to the increase, it has been grown in the hilly and the plain region. Agriculture sector majorly contributes towards in the state development production in the Manipur. About 52% of the total workers in the Manipur are cultivators or are in agriculture labor. Because let's talk about the speciality. Manipur is one of the Indian largest bamboo production in the state and a major bamboo production in the country too. Manipur accounts up to 25% of the stock of bamboo in the northeastern region and about 14% of the state. There is a big opportunity of the bamboo production all over the India and to export towards the world too. So on the nutshell, going through all the aspects of the Manipur such as population, agriculture, economy, sports, etc. I've made a small conclusion on it. So basically Manipur is primarily an agriculture based economy and has a scale towards the commercial plantation of varieties of horticulture such as olive, figs, etc. It has been the largest producer and passion towards the food into the fruits in the state of India. Handlooms and the handcraft of this industry has been developed in the state and made a significant and a contributed state income to the Manipur.